Hello everyone, I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, name Rekha M, branch Electronics and Communication in Engineering, section Infinity, semester 2nd, subject Applied Physics for Triple E stream. Here I am going to explain about the topic of squares and their applications. Squares. Squares means superconducting quantum interference devices formed by incorporating two Josephson junctions in the loop of superconducting materials. It is an ultrasensitive measuring instrument used to measure extremely weak magnetic field. It is a sensitive magnetometer. When magnetic field is applied to this circuit, it induces circulating current which produces an opposing magnetic field which excludes the flux penetration. The loop acts as a gate to allow or exclude the flux. Types of squares. There are two main types of squares, DC squares and RF squares. DC squares means it is a measured direct current DC and are the most common type of square. RF squares on the other hand operate at radio frequencies and are used in some specialized applications. DC squared current made to flow around the loop through both Josephson's junctions. Electrons tunnel through the junctions interfere. Magnetic field through the loop causes a phase difference between electrons, affects current through the loop. Flux, magnetic field through the loop induces a current around the loop. This affects the current following through the loop because the net current through each junction is no longer the same. Resulting potential difference across the loop can be measured. RF squared. RF squared is also called AC squared, radio frequency oscillating current. Measure interactions between the superconducting ring and an external resonant LC circuit. External inductor induces current in squared ring, and when the Josephson's junction enters the resistive state, it damps the LC circuit. There are three types of applications: biomagnetism, scanning squared microscopy, geophysics. Biomagnetism processes in animals produce small magnetic fields 10 to the power minus 12 to 10 to the power minus 9 Tesla. Fields associated with neural activity can be imaged by machines based on an array of squares, magnetoencephalography MEG. Generally used cardiometer DC squares. Advantages: higher temporal resolution. Images can be acquired in millisecond intervals and respond rapidly to changes in neutral activity. PET and MRI have a temporal resolution on the order of per second, higher spatial resolution. Squares can also be used to measure heartbeat, called a magnetocardiogram. Scanning squared microscopy. By scanning a squared probe over a sample, a high resolution image of its magnetic field structure can be obtained. Squared microscopy image of 1 mm slice of Martian meteorite. Geophysics measure movement of the Earth's magnetic poles, variations in the thickness of the crust, oil prospecting, earthquake prediction, geothermal energy surveying. Require portable containers with sufficient insulation to carry liquid helium. High temperature superconductors would help. Mention of reducing magnetic noise needed. Thank you everyone for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.